What if I told you that the future of transportation is not only electric but also revolutionary? In this video, we explore how electric vehicles are set to change our world forever. Strap in as we take a deep dive into the technology that powers them and the innovations on the horizon. Electric vehicles, or EVs, have made significant strides in recent years. But what exactly makes these vehicles tick? From innovative battery designs to smart charging solutions, we're about to uncover the building blocks of this technological marvel. Did you know that lithium-ion batteries are not the only game in town? New materials like solid-state batteries and even sodium-ion technologies are in the pipeline, promising to deliver longer ranges and shorter charging times. Let's see how these breakthroughs can change the landscape of EV technology. Now, let's talk about charging. The experience of charging an EV has often been compared to using a gas station. But what if that could change? Imagine charging your car in just a few minutes. We'll take a look at the latest advancements in charging infrastructure and how companies are working to make this a reality. As charging stations become more accessible, another revolution is happening: the integration of renewable energy sources into EV charging. This means using solar and wind power, which could lead to a net-zero emission future for transportation. Can you envision a world where your car charges itself from the sun? Let's pause for a second. Did you know that the average lifespan of EV batteries can reach up to 15 years? With proper recycling and second life uses, we might just have a solution for battery waste. Stay tuned to learn how this contributes to sustainability. If you're enjoying this deep dive into electric vehicles, consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Your support helps us bring more exciting content about innovations in technology. Now, let's jump back into the world of EV platforms. The competition in electric vehicle platforms is heating up. Companies are not just making cars, they're creating ecosystems. From Tesla's gigafactories to Ford's electrification roadmap, let's explore how these platforms are setting new standards for the entire industry. It's a fascinating time in the automotive industry. With new players entering the market and traditional manufacturers pivoting towards electric vehicles, the landscape is rapidly evolving. We're entering an era where cars are more connected than ever. But what does the future hold? As battery technology continues to evolve and charging infrastructure expands, will EVs become the norm? Let's take a look at projections for EV adoption and how they might shape our cities in the coming years. Pattern interrupt. Consider this: if every car on the road were electric, we could drastically cut down on greenhouse gas emissions. How would that change our planet? Let's explore the environmental impact of going electric. In summary, electric vehicles are on the cusp of redefining our transportation systems. With innovations in battery technology, charging solutions, and the rise of powerful EV platforms, the future looks bright for sustainable mobility. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights. And here's a sneak peek at our next video. We'll be diving deep into how autonomous vehicles will interact with electric technology. You won't want to miss it.